You'd have a seat too. Right over here. Have a seat right up there. Have a seat right up there. Have a seat right up there. Good. Only this person right there. This time, every time I walk past you, the pink bear is going to say, he's trying to take me. He's trying to take me. You're going to grab the bear and protect the bear because you think I'm trying to take the bear away. You think I'm going to get violent with the bear, but I'm not. But you're going to be very protective of that bear when you do. Right away. Right away. So yeah, guys, you know, we Is everything okay, man? We want to welcome you to the big island of Hawaii. Hilo, Hawaii, for the Merry Monarch Hula Festival!
Now doesn't know how to do it.
Have a seat, guys. Hey, give him a round of applause, guys. Give him a great big round of applause. Great big round of applause. Have a seat right back over here. There you go. Is everything okay, man? Right on. Can you guys just scoot down over here? I want you to sit down right over there. Good, I want you to scoot.
What did Josh do when you realized he had a bear?
Right here, sir. Thank you. Right over here, right over here. Are you guys having a fun time here? Yeah, right on. Because we want to take them to another spot. Take them to another spot. Take a deep breath and sleep now. Dropping down. That's right. When you open your eyes, dropping away, you're going to realize that you are in kindergarten. That you are in kindergarten again. You're going to talk like kindergartners. You're going to behave and act just like kindergartners. That will happen when you open your eyes. You're going to realize that I am your substitute teacher. The one that you absolutely hate. And every time I look at you, you're going to pretend to be innocent little angels smiling. But as soon as my back is facing you, you're going to stick out your tongue, make wiggly fingers in your ears, just like all the kindergartners do. As soon as I turn back around, you're going to act like innocent little angels again. 1, 2, 3. Wide awake. Kindergartners, it's time to wake up from nap time. That's right, I am your sub. Hey guys, can you guys please stop playing? What is your name, sir? Jacob. What is your name? Justin. You guys really have to, it's not funny. You guys should not be spreading your own. You guys are in trouble. I can tell her. Just look at you. What is your name? It's not funny. You gotta pay attention. What is your name?
Sarah.
You know what, guys? We have a lot. If you look at the board, we have this at 8 o'clock or this at 9 o'clock. Make sure that. I don't know what is so funny around here. You guys gotta pay attention, okay? You and you right here. How long have you been in kindergarten already?
I don't know.
Well, you have to pay attention. You guys gotta learn. You guys cannot play around. Yes.
I gotta go shishi.
Oh, he went already.
Yes.
Don't let him go. He was mean to me at recess.
You won't get violent. You won't stop, guys. Yes. What's that? He doodled in his pants. here. Oh, somebody. Yes.
I want to sleep.
Kids, don't push. Kindergartners, don't push. Don't shove. Don't push, guys. Yeah. What happened?
She pulled my hair.
Oh, what happened? Yes, I seen it. Are you the tattletale of the class? Well, what happened? You know what, guys?